Hey, what's up, you guys? Justin Salter here. Since Foo Fighters just released their new album, I would do the classic Everlong, how to play it. So it's a drop D tuning. So everyone knows you drop the, not everyone, but most people know that the top string goes down one full step to D, and everything else is standard tuning. So it sounds like this. And the first chord is going to be D, F sharp, C sharp. And I even throw the octave on the F sharp just to complete the chord, and then everything else can be played open. I even add a little vibrato just for fun. So yeah, so that's the first chord. It's basically a power chord with an open D. And the second one you're going to lay flat on the 9th fret, full power chord. So this goes from the A string to the D string, and then down to the 5th fret, full power chord, back to the 9th fret. And the rhythm is I'll throw this extra pinky in just for fun, because I think he does it at some point in the song. So it kind of starts out kind of, and then the pre-chorus is going to go to the C sharp, which is the 4th fret on the A string. Everything else is open. We actually mute this D string with this finger. So you go 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, and then it goes to the 7th fret. So it goes. And I wonder, lost sing along with you. Anything could ever feel this real forever. So then he does that little open 5th fret A string power chord all the way to the 9th, slides to the 9th, and then drops the full power chord down. That's the basic gist of it. Any questions? Drop them in the comments. Let me know what song you want to hear next. Please like and subscribe and share, comment, all that good stuff. Peace and love, and check out the Foo Fighters' new record. I haven't really got a chance to check it out yet. Peace and love. Bye-bye.